Another day, another story. The evolution of laws in India is a complex and fascinating subject that spans thousands of years. From ancient Hindu law codes to modern-day constitutional law, the legal system in India has undergone significant changes and has been influenced by a variety of factors, including colonialism, religion, and cultural norms. In this essay, I will provide an overview of the development of the legal system in India, focusing on key periods and events in its history. The earliest known law code in India is the Manusmriti, also known as the Laws of Manu. This text, believed to have been written in Sanskrit around 200 BCE, laid out a comprehensive set of laws and social norms for Hindu society. The Manusmriti was one of the most influential legal texts in ancient India and remained a significant reference for Hindu law for centuries. It covered a wide range of topics, including civil law, criminal law, and religious law, and it provided guidance on issues such as marriage, property, and caste. In the early centuries of the Common Era, India was ruled by a number of different kingdoms and dynasties, each of which had its own legal system. During this time, laws were often influenced by religion and custom, and legal disputes were often resolved through a combination of negotiation and arbitration. The legal system was generally local in nature, with each kingdom having its own set of laws and customs. In the 16th century, the Mughal Empire gained control of India and brought with it the Islamic legal system, which was based on the Quran and the Hadith. The Mughal emperors issued a number of legal codes and decrees, and the Mughal legal system had a profound impact on the development of Indian law. During this period, the Mughals introduced new concepts such as the principle of equality before the law and the idea of judicial review, and they established a centralized legal system that was enforced throughout their empire. In the late 18th century, the British East India Company gained control of India and began to exert its influence on the legal system. The British introduced new laws and institutions, including the Indian Penal Code and the Code of Criminal Procedure, and they established a new system of courts and tribunals. The British also established a legal education system and trained Indian lawyers, who played a significant role in the development of the Indian legal system. The Manusmriti, also known as the Laws of Manu, is a Hindu law code that was written in Sanskrit around 200 BCE. It is considered one of the most important and influential texts in ancient Indian history, as it provided a comprehensive set of laws and social norms for Hindu society. In this essay, I will provide an overview of the Manusmriti, focusing on its key provisions and historical context. The Manusmriti is composed of 26 chapters and contains over 2,000 verses. It covers a wide range of topics, including civil law, criminal law, and religious law, and it provides guidance on issues such as marriage, property, and caste. The text is organized into chapters that address different topics, and it provides detailed rules and regulations on a variety of subjects, including inheritance, debt, and punishments for criminal offenses. One of the most notable aspects of the Manusmriti is its strong emphasis on the caste system. The text provides detailed rules and regulations on the rights and duties of each caste, and it asserts that the caste system is an essential part of Hindu society. The Manusmriti divides society into four main castes: Brahmins, priests; Kshatriyas, warriors; Vaishyas, merchants; and Shudras, servants. It also recognizes a fifth caste, known as the untouchables, who are considered to be outside of the caste system. The Manusmriti also contains provisions on women's rights and roles in society. The text asserts that women should be subordinate to men, and it imposes a number of restrictions on women's behavior and activities. For example, the Manusmriti prohibits women from studying the Vedas, the Hindu scriptures, participating in public life, and engaging in certain types of employment. It also lays out strict rules for the treatment of widows, including the requirement that they remain chaste and devote themselves to religious pursuits. The Manusmriti was widely recognized as an authoritative text in ancient India, and it was widely studied and quoted by scholars and judges. However, it was not the only law code in use during this time, and other law codes, such as the Dharmashastra, also provided guidance on Hindu law and social norms. Despite its significance, the Manusmriti was not without its critics. Some scholars and reformers have criticized the text for its restrictions on women's rights and its endorsement of the caste system, and they have argued that it does not reflect the true spirit of Hinduism. In conclusion, the Manusmriti is a complex and fascinating text that provides a window into the legal and social norms of ancient Hindu society. While some of its provisions, such as its restrictions on women's rights and its endorsement of the caste system, have been criticized, the Manusmriti remains an important and influential text in the history of Indian law and society. Its legacy continues to shape Hindu society and law even today, and it remains a source of inspiration and guidance for millions of people around the world. To be continued in next video part -2. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.